Next, trachea. Trachea is straight long tube. Trachea is straight long tube. Extends up to mid thoracic region. Extends up to mid thoracic region. This trachea is supported by incomplete C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Incomplete C-shaped cartilaginous rings are supported by trachea. These rings are formed by hyaline cartilage. These rings are formed by hyaline cartilage. These are 16 to 20 rings. The dorsal, these rings are incomplete. These rings are incomplete on the dorsal side of the trachea. This is the dorsal region of the trachea, dorsal side of trachea. These rings are incomplete in dorsal region of the trachea, but complete rings are present in the ventral region of the trachea. Trachea is divided into bronchi. Trachea is divided into bronchi. Trachea is divided into bronchi at the region of the fifth thoracic vertebrae. Trachea is divided into bronchi at the region of the fifth thoracic vertebrae. These bronchi is primary bronchi. These primary bronchi divided into secondary bronchi. These secondary bronchi divided into tertiary bronchi. These tertiary bronchi divided into primary bronchioles. Primary bronchioles or initial bronchiole. Primary bronchi or initial bronchiole. These primary bronchioles divided into secondary bronchiole. These secondary bronchiole divides into tertiary bronchiole. Tertiary bronchioles divided into, this is tertiary bronchiole. Tertiary bronchioles divided into terminal bronchiole. Tertiary bronchiole divides into terminal bronchiole. These terminal bronchioles divided into, this is terminal bronchiole. Terminal bronchioles divided into respiratory bronchiole. Respiratory bronchioles. These respiratory bronchioles divides into alveolar duct. These alveolar ducts contains sac-like structures. These are alveolar sac. Each alveolar sac contains alveoli. 3 to 5 alveoli present in the alveolar sacs. The passage of air enters into the lung here. External nostrils, nasal chamber, pharynx, glottis, larynx, trachea, larynx, trachea, and trachea divides into primary bronchi, primary bronchi divides into secondary bronchi, secondary bronchi divides into tertiary bronchi, tertiary bronchi divides into primary bronchioles, primary bronchioles, primary bronchioles divided into secondary bronchioles, secondary bronchioles divides into tertiary bronchioles, tertiary bronchioles divides into terminal bronchioles, terminal bronchioles, terminal bronchioles divides into respiratory bronchioles, respiratory bronchioles divides into alveolar ducts. Each alveolar duct contains alveolar sacs, alveolar sacs, alveolar sacs. Each alveolar sac contains 3 to 5 alveoli, 3 to 5 alveoli. These are the air passage into the lungs sequence. External nostril to terminal bronchioles is called conducting zone. Conducting zone. This passage is divided into two zones. Conducting zone, exchange zone. External nostril to terminal bronchioles is called conducting zone. Respiratory bronchioles to alveoli is called exchange zone. Exchange zone. Conducting zone. Conducting zone transport atmospheric air into the alveoli. Transport atmospheric air into the alveoli. Next, it removes the dust particles. It removes the dust particles and foreign substance. It maintains the humidity of air. It maintains the humidity, and it makes the temperature of atmospheric air equal to the body temperature. Equal to the body temperature. Next, exchange zone. It is the actual site of exchange zone. Is the actual site of gases exchange. Actual site of gases exchange place is exchange zone. Trachea, primary bronchi, secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, and the initial bronchioles are primary bronchi contains C-shaped cartilaginous rings. C-shaped cartilaginous rings present in bronchi, trachea, primary bronchi, secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, and the initial bronchioles are primary bronchioles contains C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Next, bronchial tree and respiratory tree. Bronchial tree. The branches of primary bronchi up to terminal bronchioles. The branches of primary bronchi and up to terminal bronchioles is called bronchial tree. Bronchial tree means the branches of primary bronchi up to terminal bronchioles is called bronchial tree. Bronchial tree. Next, respiratory tree. Respiratory tree. Respiratory. There are branches of respiratory bronchioles. The branches of respiratory bronchioles up to alveoli. Up to alveoli is called respiratory tree. Respiratory tree. C-shaped cartilaginous rings present in bronchial tree. C-shaped cartilaginous rings absent in respiratory tree. Gases exchange absent in bronchial tree. Gases exchange present in respiratory tree. Respiratory tree. Next, dead space volume. Dead space volume. Dead space volume means the volume of air present in the bronchial tree. The volume of air present in the bronchial tree is called dead space volume. The volume of air present in the bronchial tree is called dead space volume because this air does not involve in the exchange of gases. Exchange of gases. 150 ml of air is present in the bronchial tree. This air is dead space volume. This is not involved in the exchange of gases. So it is called dead space volume. Next, lungs. One pair of lungs present in thoracic region. Most of the thoracic region is occupied by lungs. Lungs are covered by double layered peritoneum. Lungs are covered by double layered peritoneum. This peritoneum is called pleura. Pleura is the covering of lungs. Outer layer is, pleura is two layers. Outer layer is parietal layer. Inner layer is visceral layer. Lungs are covered by double layered peritoneum called pleura. Outer layer is parietal layer or parietal pleura. Inner layer is visceral layer or visceral pleura. Parietal layer close contact with the thoracic cavity. Visceral layer close contact with the lungs. Parietal layer close contact with the thoracic cavity and visceral layer close contact with the lungs. These two layers are parietal layer, visceral layer. These two layers are derived from embryonic mesoderm. In between these two layers, cavity is present. This cavity is called pleural cavity. This pleural cavity filled with fluid called pleural fluid. This pleural fluid reduce the friction on the lung surface. These fluids reduce the frictions on the lung surfaces. Due to bacterial infections, this fluid increases. This causes difficulty in breathing. Next, lungs are right lung, left lung. Right lung has three lobes. And left lung has two lobes. Right lung is larger than left lung. Left lung has notch called cardiac notch. Cardiac notch present in left lung. This is cardiac notch. Cardiac notch present in left lung. Heart present in the cardiac notch region. Lungs are spongy and solid. The branching network of bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli comprises the lungs. The branching network of bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli comprises the lungs. Alveoli are the structural and functional unit of the lungs. 3 billions alveoli are present in both lungs. 3 billions of alveoli are present in both lungs. Alveoli has two layers. Outer layer is formed by fibrous connective tissue. Inner layer is formed by simple squamous epithelium. The cells of the simple squamous epithelium present in the alveoli is called pneumocytes. Some pneumocytes helps for the exchange of gases. Some pneumocytes helps for the exchange of gases. Some releases lecithin. Lecithin is a phospholipid. Lecithin is a phospholipid. It prevents the collapse of alveoli. It prevents the collapse of alveoli by reducing surface tension of the alveoli. Lecithin prevents the collapse of alveoli by reducing surface tension of the alveoli. The phagocytic cells of the lungs are dust cells. Dust cells are phagocytic cells in the lungs. In liver, phagocytic cells are copper cells. In lungs, phagocytic cells are dust cells. Lungs are present in thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity is formed by anterior region contains neck and clavicles. Anterior region is neck and clavicle. Clavicles also called collarbones. These are clavicles. Clavicles are also called collarbones. Anterior region of thoracic cavity contains neck and clavicles. Posterior region of thoracic cavity contains diaphragm. Posterior region of thoracic cavity contains diaphragm. Dorsal region of the thoracic cavity. This is dorsal region of thoracic cavity contains vertebral column and ribs. Dorsal region contains vertebral column and ribs. Ventral region contains sternum. Ventral region contains sternum and ribs. Ventral region of thoracic cavity contains sternum and ribs. Lateral region of thoracic cavity contains ribs. Thoracic cavity protects the lungs. This setting of thoracic cavity helps for the exchange of gases. Next, diaphragm. Diaphragm is muscular. Diaphragm is a muscular membrane. Diaphragm separates body cavity. Into two regions: anterior thoracic cavity, posterior abdominal cavity. Diaphragm is a muscular membrane. It is present only mammals and crocodiles. Diaphragm presents only mammals and crocodiles. Diaphragm is a muscular membrane. Diaphragm separates the abdominal cavity into two regions: anterior region thoracic cavity, posterior region abdominal cavity. The pulmonary volume, the lung volume depends on the thoracic volume. Because muscles are absent in lungs. So self contraction and expansion of lungs are absent. Because lungs doesn't have muscles are absent in lungs. So the pulmonary volume depends on the thoracic volume. Because muscles are absent in lungs. So self contraction and expansions are absent in lungs.